So the parts came in. That's good news. As you can see, I already started tearing into the boxes, but I didn't get everything fully opened yet. The fender was I did pull that out of the box before I even took it off the delivery truck, just because floor pans, etc. You get a couple of dents or dings in them, it's not really the end of the world. The fender, I was a little bit more concerned about the appearance, so that was already pulled apart before I was able to record it. But the good news is it's actually pretty damn straight. I didn't see any little dings or anything in there, so doing pretty good on that so far. So far, so good. Let's tear the rest of this stuff apart, huh? Alright, I don't care if it's extra work or if it's going to be a little harder to fit in there. I think getting the one-piece floor is going to be worth the effort. I mean, come on. How nice does that look, huh? And all we're going to have to do is get the... Oh, what the heck's that? Whatever, that's easy enough to work. I'm not going to sweat it. But yeah, all we're going to have to do here is, once we get the remainder cut out of what we have left of the fringe in the Challenger, we'll be able to drop this right in there. And then obviously that seam at the rear seats here lines up with this seam here that's still got the blue foam on it. So it's just going to be as seamless as possible. So it's going to be pretty nice. And, you know, maybe I'll end up eating my words, but for right now, I think it's going to be worth the extra effort of doing everything, like doing the one-piece main floor and replacing that all as one piece. Same thing with the trunk. I think the trunk floor one piece is going to be worth the effort when it's all said and done, but we'll see how it ends up working out. Well, let's see what we got to cut out here yet. Okay, I can't really see what I'm looking at here because the brightness on the screen, but give you an idea. And get all that cut out. Pull these quarter panel, these quarter plastics out. that board's just sitting in there in case I was gonna need somebody to sit in it and steer it when I towed it out the other day, which that was a shit show. Kind of glad I didn't bother recording that. But you see, we still got to go through and cut out all this remainder. Pull the dash out next. I think that's going to be the next thing. Get the dash out, get the cut the remainder of the floor, what's left of it. Thought I'd do a short update video on this. It's not good news, we'll put it that way. It's got the hood laying on here, but so the body panels came in that I ordered from Classic Industries. So got the full trunk floor, the under the rear seat, full pan floor, one piece main floor, and then as far as the firewall goes, I was like, okay, well, we got some issues there right at the top of the trans tunnel, but I figured it was worth patching in and not replacing anything, you know, like the entire firewall or anything like that. But then pulled out the windshield, and shame on me for making assumptions based on what the rest of the condition of most of the car was. I didn't foresee having this bad issues here. So the whole windshield frame's gone, so the whole upper cowl is gone, and to order just the upper cowl wouldn't be too bad price wise or shipping wise, but then the lower cowl is pretty much gone too. So it almost seems like you're better off to order a either the one piece where it's the firewall, lower cowl, and upper cowl all together, or get the lower cowl firewall combo and then a upper cowl separate. And the concern there isn't just the money, it's the what's involved in getting it installed, and all the pinch welds or all the spot welds you got to cut, and the amount of bracing needed on the chassis so that you know, you basically don't twist this thing into a pretzel. So yeah, that's where I'm at. It's not good. I expected some of this up here, obviously, you know what I mean? Like it's almost a given, but not necessarily to the extent that it is. So I don't know if anybody's got any opinions on it, you know, let me know. Leave a comment. And then icing on the cake, up here it's looking pretty bad too. I think that I could take care of. I don't think that'd be the end of the world, but this cowl thing's kind of got me I don't know, kind of got me second guessing myself here. We'll see what we can do.